Hello, grade 12. Question 2, November 2011, paper 2. You are given an auger. It is an auger. An auger is something that you use to remove soil from the ground, digging from the ground. It's an auger. They say seeing pictures tell 8,000 words. You will see after we've completed it. It's something that drills, that removes soil from the ground, that they use to drill, or even the wood. When you remove wood, you are drilling a hole through a wood. They use something, that particular tube, that particular shaft that they use. It has got helices, so they call it an auger. Now this auger here, the front view and the left view of the shaft of an auger, it's given. Now this is a reference point A. Point A. I'm not using question paper, I'm using a blank sheet because you won't be able to see the question here. I can't move my camera around. There is point O that is given, and then point O refers to this point. That is where we are going to start. The outer diameter is 80, the pitch 1 full 10 is 35 millimeter. The starting point A, draw to scale 1:1, 2/10 of a right hand auger on the given views of the shaft. 2/10. They want you to draw full tens of this auger. I want you to draw full tens of the right hand 10 auger. Now we will start then to drawing that shaft of ours. Instruction starting point A, draw to scale. Yeah, yes. Let's draw the shaft. We will start here. Let's make this our point O. Will be here, right here. Right here. Then the outside diameter is 36. Outside is 36, inside diameter is 22. 36 is, let's check here, 36 divided by 2 is 18. Radius 18. My radius will be 18. Radius 18. There is my 18. Complete my center. So center line, it's 18. Okay, there is 18. And then the outer diameter, the other one is 36, which is 18, 22, which is 11. Let's check 11, diameter 22, mark it at 11. 11, I'll do that. This 11. Now, the outer diameter of the auger is 80. The outer diameter. Outer diameter is 80, which will take me to 40 radius. Radius 40. We are redrawing this. This is the core of the auger. Let's draw it. It will be somewhere here and somewhere there, I don't know. and somewhere there at the back, I don't know the distance where it was going to be. And then the outer diameter, stand it, and then the core, that one. Let's check how far does it take us. This is 12, and then one pitch is 35 pitch, but now because they want us to draw 2 tens, the outer diameter is that starting point, 2 tens, they want 2 tens, so 35 plus 35 is 70, but we'll first measure this 12. I'll prefer to start my 12 somewhere here. There is my 12. Start there. I measure 12. Bear with me, I'm slow. I'll be slow. Oh, it's not, it's 12. It's not 12, guys. Sorry, it's 21, man. 21. Sorry. 21. And then from 21, we're going to measure 2 35s. 2 35s. Okay, 2 35. 1 35 here. First 35. Another 35. Another 35. And then there'll be 21 also here. 21. My 21 will be here. So my 21 will end here. 21 will end here. And then we will have that. Here. And there. Now, obviously, we'll have to divide our second. 12, 1, 2, 2. Then the outside will go there. 1, 2. This one will be there, and we'll take that one there. Then the third one will be here, the outside line. Now, let's start. They told us our starting position will be here at A. We start here at A. And then from A, we'll consider the outside. Now, we would like to divide. I prefer to start with the outside one. The outside helix. Helix on the outside here. And then it's 35, 35. But now we'll divide this 35 into 12 equal parts. 12 equal parts. I'll divide 1. I'll just make example of 1. We'll divide that one. In your exam, you don't want to be slow. You don't want to be slow. Time is not on your side. Probably it is on my side, because here I have all the time to do this. They must be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. I take both of my set squares. I align the last one. I align the last one. I align the last one with the first corner here. I align the last one. And then thereafter I draw lines that are parallel to that line, to that last line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then with my T-square, I bring them down. Those lines are parallel, so I bring them down. 1, 2, 11 and 12. I'm gonna take my chances, guys. I'm gonna take my chances. This one I'm not going to divide it. I will just take one dimension from those. I'm just gonna take one dimension here, this one here, there, and see if I can't mark these 12 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aha, it caught up with me. Caught up with me. You see now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They are not sufficient. I was taking some chances. I was gambling. Okay. Let me do it again. This side. Let me do it again. Maybe this side. I've made a mess on the other side. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not a train smash. I was taking my chances. I was trying to save time and I wasted one. It's good. It's good. It's good. Not afraid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 11 and 12. They told us the pitch is 35. Let me verify my 35 here. It is 35. It's me who have made a mess there earlier. But it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Then I'll play around with my set square until one aligns with the last line here. Here, this one and that one. Then from there I will simply slide. I will slide my set square to line the first one, then If you practice enough, you will be able to do this 10 times quicker than I do. Alright. There we are. There we are with our story. Now let's start marking. Now, as we start marking, we start with the outside one. Outside one, they said you must start here. And it is what, a left hand or a right? They said it is a right hand uga. It is a right hand uga. If we start here and it is a right hand uga, we're turning to the right. Here is my right. We're going that way. Starting here, I'm looking at it. This is the front portion. I'm going to the right now, turning over to the other side. Okay, let's start doing that. Start here. The first line will be this one. 1, 1, 2, 3. From here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. The other side, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I ended the center, which means now my dots are correct. I'm ending at the center. And then I join them faintly because I don't want to confuse myself thinking abstractly. But just join them faintly. Your hand, you need to have a steady hand. It must not be shaky like mine. It's an uga, and then here is the core. Is the core of the uga. This one is the core. Just to show you with a red pen, just here slightly, you know that this is the core of the uga. Core of the uga. It's solid. It is solid. If something goes behind it, you will not be able to see that. Now, let's take the smaller radius now of the uga. The smaller, it is this one. It is this one. It also starts here at the center. I will show you with a red pen, just for our understanding. It starts also here at the center. My red pen, what's wrong? It starts here, 1, its first line, it will be that one. It will be here. No, we're not considering this one. It is that one. We are considering this one. So at the center, the first one is that line. It will be the first one here. 1. Second one is this line. 2. The third one is that one. 3. And then go around, it's going to be 1. 2, it is in line with that one. Third one is at the center. Then when we go over to the other side, let's go to the other side. To the other side. To the other side. This is what we have. From here, from the center, we will go here, the first one. From the center, it's gonna be here. 1. Check again. Yeah, that one. It's gonna be 1. Here, 1. Go here. Second one is 2. The third one will be this one. Then when we come back, it will be much easier. It will be 1 in line with that one, 2, 3, and then I'm looking at that one, 4, 5, 6. I'm looking at this one, 1, 2, 3. That one, 1, 2, 3. Go back, look at this one, 1, 2, 3. There we are. I just do it faintly. Now because it's an uga, it goes at the back. It goes at the back. Definitely the outside part here. We will be able to see the part. We will be able to see this part. As it goes out, it's hidden. As it moves around that side, it gets hidden here. As it moves around, it gets hidden. It gets hidden until, right, but from here, because it started here, from our faces, it goes here. We are able to see it. We see it. We see it. You see it right through until it joins there. And then it goes behind the uga. It goes behind this core. Where is the core? The core of the uga is this one. It goes behind the core. It goes behind the core up until here. It goes behind the core up until here. It goes behind the core and it reappears there. It reappears here. The core, as it here is my core here. It reappears here. And then it curves. As it reappears, it is moving now in my face. I can see it. I can see the bigger helix. Not the smaller one. Where is the bigger? That one is the smaller. The bigger goes there. Sorry, I can see it. And then it will disappear. And then from there, I will not be able to see it. And then it will appear here. Hey man, my curves, man. I don't like my curves, man. My hand is, as it appears, it is in front of my face. I'm able to see it. This bigger one here. Now I take now the smaller one. The smaller one, as it is from my face, I'm looking at it now here. It started in front of me. My eyes are here looking there, both of my eyes there. Now, I see it. It's the one that I've marked the red. I see it. I see it right up until here. But as soon as, where is my point? It is, wait a minute, something is wrong here. Talking about the smaller one. It is 1, 2, the second one is here, 2, the third one is here, 3, yeah, which means, all right, which means it's not this line. This line is not the line for the core. It's not the line for the core. Helicoid, it's not the line for the core. Line for the core, it's a, I can see it up to here, and then it goes behind the scenes. It goes behind the scenes. It's here. That line is here. So which means I can see up to here. And then it goes behind the scenes. It goes behind the core. Here is the core where it ends, and then it will reappear here. It will reappear here. As it reappears, it's 1, 2, 3. It reappears here. 1, 2, 3. It reappears here. And then I've taken a wrong line here, guys. Man. Hey, Letizale, when's that? Yeah, it reappears here. This one, it goes up until here. And then I said the core of the helicoid, see there. It reappears here. It reappears here. So this is what we will have. Then we said it goes, disappears behind the core, moves around, it reappears, and then it reappears, and then it goes. As it reappears this side it reappears. Now 1, 2, 3. It reappears, and then go behind the scenes again, and go behind the scenes. It reappears and go behind the scenes, go behind the scenes, and then start appearing here. From here it appears. There we have it here. It appears here. So we have something like that. Remember this one? You just missed the end of the core. It is something like that. And voila. Did they say we must show hidden details? Let's see what did they say. No hidden details required. Show all necessary construction. I've shown all necessary construction. This is how our helicoid will look like. Our uga is something like this, the one that drills, takes out the soil from the ground. It looks like this. It has 2 helices. There we have it there, or 2 turns. 1 started at the center. 1, 2. There we are. We are done with that, guys. I hope we will be able to do this in 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed it, or you have learned something from it. Although the line work is not that smart, but you have to draw it freehand. Your hand must be stable, not shaking. Never. Thank you. Have a nice day. Voila.